Hello everybody and welcome to Word Problems question 7. Right, so if we have 60 workers in a factory producing 720 toys in 9 hours, how many hours does it take 90 workers to produce 1020 toys? So to answer this, we're going to write a small table with 3 columns. The workers in the first column, then the number of toys, and then the time taken. So the first line is easy. We have 60 workers producing 720 toys in 9 hours. And the first thing I'm going to do is change the 9 hours into minutes, and that's equal to 540 minutes. In the next line, we're going to increase the number of workers to 90, but we're going to keep the time the same, 540 minutes. Now, as the number of workers has been increased by half as much again, the number of toys they produce is also going to increase by half as much again. And half of 720 is 360. So if we add 360 to 720, we get 1080. In the next line, we're going to keep the number of workers at 90, but we're going to change the number of toys or the time taken. Now, if you look at 1080, you might notice that it's divisible by 54. Therefore, if we divide both of these by 54, we see that 90 workers produce 20 toys in 10 minutes. Now, we have to work out how long it takes 90 workers to make 1020 toys. Well, if we times 20 by 51, we get 1020. So if we times 10 minutes also by 51, we get 510 minutes. And 510 minutes is the same as 8.5 hours. Therefore, 90 workers can make 1020 toys in 8 hours and 30 minutes. Now, you can write this table in a number of different ways, so if you've done that, as long as you get the same answer, it's fine. Next, we have orange juice and lemonade mixed together in a glass in the ratio 1:5. Now, somebody drank a quarter of the contents of the glass and then topped it up with orange juice. So we want to work out the new ratio of orange juice to lemonade. Now, if the drink has 1 part orange juice to 5 parts lemonade, that means there are 6 parts. So the orange juice is 1/6 of the drink and the lemonade is 5/6 of the drink. So to keep our numbers simple, let's say that the total contents are 600 millilitres. That means that there would be 100 millilitres of orange juice and 500 millilitres of lemonade. Now, if somebody drinks a quarter of this drink, that means that both the orange juice and the lemonade are reduced by 1/4. Therefore, the orange juice is now 75 millilitres and the lemonade is 375 millilitres. So that means somebody drank 25 millilitres of orange juice and 125 millilitres of lemonade. So in total, we've lost 150 millilitres of liquid. Now the glass was topped up with orange juice, so we have to add 150 millilitres of orange juice. So we now have 225 millilitres of orange juice and still have 375 millilitres of lemonade. So the ratio of orange juice to lemonade now becomes 225 over 375, which if reduced down gives us 3:5. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you followed along. If you think I should have broken it down a bit more and put more steps in, then please comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you soon.